Make a dinosaur. All right. Let me tell you a little bit about dinosaurs. Dinosaurs were around millions of years ago. There are more than 700 species, and they lived on all continents. And you know, in the movie Jurassic Park, those dinosaurs aren't real. No, 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 no. Okay, so let me show you how to make a dinosaur. You're going to need one art rod. You're going to need 3 smaller rods, and you'll need about 4 twisties. So to make the dinosaur, we're going to start with our art rod. We're going to bend it down a little bit to make the face. We're going to curve it around a little bit to make the spine of the body. And then at the bottom, we'll make a little bit of a curve for the tail. Okay, now we'll make the legs of the dinosaur. Well, let's do a couple for the, yeah, let's make the arms of the dinosaur first. So let's curve that around and bend it kind of equally so that both hands are the same size. And we're going to pinch it in there, and we're going to get a twisty and wrap it around the front, make an X in it, and then just start twisting nice and tight. And let's bend the hands a little bit to make them a little more ferocious looking, right? Kind of maybe twist them out a little bit. I'm coming after you kind of thing. And we'll make the legs too. We'll do the same thing at the bottom. We're going to bend them down a little bit, and we'll take a twisty and wrap it around. Make an X shape and twist. And we're going to open up the legs a little bit, and we might bend them a little bit so that maybe it's walking along, and it will probably be able to balance it and sit on it, make it sit on the table. I'm going to have a curve a little bit. And I think let's put on a spiky spine on it, like a Tyrannosaurus. So to do that, you could do a whole bunch of little back and forth spines. I like to have a big spine right up front and maybe a smaller spine in the back, or maybe a couple, huh? Can I get a couple in? So just make it go up and down and up and down and up and down. And we're going to attach it to the back of the dinosaur like that. So line it up so that it will match the spine of the dinosaur, and wrap it around and twist it. And on the very back, very toward the tail, get another twisty and do the same thing. Wrap it around, make an X and twist it. Now you can tuck in all the extra wire, or you can just snap them off with scissors. Okay, so the next thing is to go and decorate. I use my stickers to put on some eyes. You could pick the eyes that you want, but let's look at some of the different pictures of dinosaurs and give us some ideas how to decorate our dinosaurs. Ooh, a lot of them. Okay, well, we already got the spiky spines. Ooh, could draw on some sharp teeth or some little polka dots. You can see the little claws at the end of the hand. Ooh, lots of ways you can decorate that. Okay, so now with your dinosaur, let's look at what we can do with it. Put it on the shelf, give it as a present, maybe make a little dinosaur movie, you know, get some other dinosaurs, maybe have a dinosaur contest or dinosaur growling at each other. You can have a lot of fun playing with dinosaurs. Good. Well, that's all. Bye.